Okay, we got the intake off and didn't actually break anything. 3 of the DI injectors just came out with the intake, so you can see there's number 3. Look how clean the end is compared to the carbon on 2 and 1, so that's normal. That one's pretty washed. That's the one that was leaking. They're not supposed to come out that easily. They're supposed to be jammed in the intake, pressed into the intake down there. Well, that just comes off. Wiggles. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What can I get under? So here's our little special toolkit. And this little doohickey, that just goes over the head of the injector, and then you screw into it with this, and basically it's a miniature slide hammer. So let's see if it works. So there's a groove in the body of the injector right there. It's supposed to go in that. Oh, there we go. I think that's on. Get our little doober guy. That threads in. Interesting. This stud's in the way. No bueno. Gonna have to pull the stud. Okay, with our stud out of the way, let's try threading that into that puller. There we go. And look at that! Tickety boo!